There was a time when myths and science were entwined. When mermaids and unicorns could mysteriously appear. Nature was weird. When science revealed the truth behind these imaginary creatures, it found real animals lay behind the legends. Today, science still makes astonishing discoveries, but nature seems just as weird. It's just that fact has broken free from fiction. Even familiar animals indulge in strange activities. Cats from far and wide are irresistibly drawn to a seemingly insignificant plant. In the presence of catnip, they do the unexpected. They not only eat its flowers, they rub, sniff and chew its leaves. Cats are strangely addicted to this fragrant herb. They return for a fix of its heady scent again and again. Its aromatic oils make them frisky and playful. As they fall deeper under its influence, their mood changes in other odd ways. As well as rolling around apparently in ecstasy, they chase imaginary mice. This odd behavior is triggered by chemicals resembling those in tomcat urine. Courting females writhe in this provocative way, but strangely, catnip affects both sexes. Cats even inherit this sensitivity. 3/4 are affected in some way. This weird journey shows how natural chemicals influence animal behavior and reveals much about ourselves. Aromatherapy is now more popular than ever. But we are in surprising company. Starlings use aromatic herbs to decorate their nests. As science studies the human benefits of aromatherapy, starling research shows that herbs help their chicks' immune system. Their herbs contain the same essential oils as those we use. In starlings, the oils are absorbed through the shell. They boost the embryo's white blood cells that fight infection. Chicks reared with herbs grow faster and cope better with stress when they leave the nest. Twice as many birds from herbal nests survive the first year. In a dangerous world, the smallest variation in fitness makes the difference between life and death. Many birds of prey also bring vegetation back to the nest. The black eagle returns with garlands of aromatic leaves throughout its 3-month nesting season. Like the oil in herbs, leaf oils are the plant's natural defense against insects. In the nest, they seem to act as bug busters, tackling infestations of flies, ticks, and mites. Local people use the same leaves as insect repellents in their homes. Perhaps like starlings, eagles also gain other health benefits. Whatever the truth, birds clearly know what's good for them. So do chimpanzees. Chimps use over 30 different plants to treat stomach complaints. This is Aspilia. Their young learn about self-medication by watching their elders. Aspilia leaves need special handling. They must be rolled, not chewed. This preserves hairs which trap intestinal worms. The leaves are also dosed with anti-parasitic chemicals, giving a double whammy. Many chimp remedies are also used by local people as herbal medicines. A growing knowledge of animal pharmacy is giving science insights into human treatments. There is much that nature can teach us. The axolotl has miraculous powers of regeneration. It dwells in a few lakes near Mexico City. This salamander tadpole never grows up. Adults keep their gills and spend their whole lives submerged. Lake Oxychimilco is a tough place to live. It is the most popular boating spot in Mexico. The way the axolotl copes with the hazards has made it the focus of scientific study. Limbs lost in accidents mysteriously regrow. Their process of regeneration is providing insights into the repair systems of our own bodies. They take just 3 months to replace a severed leg. If we can unlock the axolotl's secrets, we too might regrow lost limbs. Such studies into the weird side of nature may unlock the key to our future health. Nature can even tackle its own environmental health problems. Many birds, like the rook, employ pest controllers. They enlist the unwitting help of ants. It surrenders to the frenzy of bites with outstretched wings. The ants also squirt formic acid, a natural insecticide. This vinegary acid keeps down feather mites and seems to double as a plumage conditioner.